safety. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for portions of Denton, Tarrant, Collin, and Dallas counties until 9:15. A severe thunderstorm is located with an associated outflow boundary near Hickory Creek or near Lake Dallas in Denton County, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Dallas, Plano, Garland, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Wiley, Coppell, Farmers Ranch, and Southlake are in the path of this storm, along with portions of I-35W and I-35E. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for southeastern Denton County, northeastern Tarrant County, southwestern Collin County, and northwestern Dallas County until 9:15. A severe thunderstorm is located with an associated outflow boundary near Hickory Creek or over Lake Dallas, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.